can't lie, this sounds cold.
Yo, what's going on, my Backstar family? Hope everyone's blessed, having a blessed day, blessed week, all of the good stuff. Hey, we're about 21 days till Christmas. Can you imagine? Today, jumping on this 120R, gonna get her sorted. I was waiting for a petrol tank from Stomp, but they've took a bit long. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my Power Lee's petrol tank. That's a brand new one on there anyway. And then what I'm gonna do is put that on there. And then when Stomp send me the brand new tank, I'm gonna give that to me Power Lee. But for now, let's get this bike fixed. Guys, I literally paid 350 quid for this bike, yeah? I had to wait a while to get it cheap, but that's how much it cost me. You're gonna see me flip it over and make a little drink on this today, because I'm gonna be selling it for 500 quid. So those who ain't good at maths, that's £150 profit. Let's go and let's get it. I've just been going over this bike now, just trying to make it as clean as possible. The geezer's buying it for his little boy's birthday. So yeah, just literally going over it all. Trying to make it as shiny and as clean as possible. You know, obviously I like to make my customers happy, you know what I mean? I don't want to just sell him some dusty old bike. Even though he's getting it cheap and I didn't pay a lot for it myself, I still want to give him a good deal, you know what I mean? That's how we work down at Pit Bikes or us. Getting that old front wheel on her now. Pumping the old brake. Yeah, she's looking good, isn't she? And there we go. It is all back together. Yeah, just gonna straighten his bars now.
2 sets, can you hear me now?
Oh, that. God, that was. There you go, she's loosening up. That's one. This is my, see this tool, I only use this tool for handlebars. God, that's rounded right off, that is, Jesus Christ. There we go. And yeah, as I said, it's all back together. Just doing a little carb clean on it. It's a bit boggy.
Yeah. It's water.
Bit of shit in there, isn't there, boy?
Yeah.
Big shouts to Monster Energy, keeping me hydrated for the ride outs and when I'm working and stuff. Guys, go get yourself one of these. You can buy them in shops. This is one of my favouriteest flavours. So yeah, big shouts to Monster Energy, keeping me hydrated as always. But let's go and let's get it.
off the coat though, and it did before. I'll run it up. So.
Whew, that was loud. There you go. She's ready. Nice and easy. Car's been cleaned. And there you go. She's all cleaned up. She starts good now. There you go, boys. She's in the van. Don't know if you can see it because it's dark. That's another one out the door. Ahoy! And there you go, guys. Pit bike, quick sale, in and out. Got the readies here. Look, lovely jubbly. 500 quid right there. I've counted it all. That's how you turn 350 quid into 500 quid buying and selling a cheap pit bike. Just got to be patient. Wait till the right bike comes up for the right price and go and get it. But yeah, now we've got to put this one back together. And yeah, hopefully I'll have some bikes for Christmas. If not, I'll see you in the new year. Next year I'm going to be going serious with this pit bike game, with the Pit Bikes Are Us business. I'm literally going to be buying all the pit bikes. So yeah, hope you like this one. Stay safe, stay lucky. There's no wheelies or riding in this, but be blessed. Yo guys, look what has finally turned up. The tank from Stomp. Thank you, boys. We'll be putting this 140 back together real soon. My electric bike's fully charged. I've just been cleaning my CRF 150 and got it back to new again after the ride out. But guys, if you saw me on the ride out, you would have saw my swag was 1010. So I just want to shout out tailor-made helmets. Have a look, guys. This helmet here is customized for myself. It's got suede, it's got leather. Hey, this helmet is super sick, guys. If you want to know where to get it, go hit up Tailor-Made Helmets. I'm going to show you their Instagram right now. There's the Instagram, guys. Hey, some serious helmets on here, man. Look at this. That is a serious good helmet, isn't it? Look at them, bruv. They're all sick. Dirty Riders crew helmet right there. Where's my helmet at? Oh, yeah, they got some seriously sick helmets here, man. Look at that one. Ooh. Some seriously good helmets. Jeez, there's my little bad boy. So yeah, guys, the guy who makes the helmets, he's in Amsterdam. So he takes a couple of weeks to make it and then send it out to you. But trust me, when you get it, you will not be disappointed.
I can't lie, this sounds